Alrighty, so this is the CYBERPOWER 1500VA backup battery power for my gaming laptop. I charged it up for about a couple of hours after I opened it up, and right now it's running on battery because I disconnected the AC from it. So it's just battery power. I have my computer running right now along with the monitor, and it sees the event, the power outage once. Output is 120 volts. 60 hertz, and the output still reads as 0 even though my computer is running. Same thing for the W percentage, voltage percentage, and it's at 96% right now. It was 100. I charged it fully for a couple of hours when I first got it and turned it on. Knew it was missing 1 bar, so it was fully charged a while ago. It's been running for about 10 minutes and it's at 96%. Before this was 430 or 27 here. Cycling through the map, the items, pretty straightforward, easy to read display, and also the numbers, which is nice. In the front, there's also a USB-A and USB-C. It provides 30 watts of power to charge things in front, or actually just have it powered up. Pretty heavy box. Right now, I connected a power strip to it, so my KVM is connected to this, and also my laptop, which is a MSI 75, which has 200 watts of usage, and right now it's set to power mode. There are about 10 plugs here, and 5 of them are battery backup. So the ones with the white label is battery backup. The one on the sides are the surge protection. There is a wiring fault light here, reset breaker for if it pops, and a USB control so you connect to your computer. Also, I guess surge protection for RF cable in and out, also network cable in and out. So pretty cool. And if it could run for about nearly 400 and I guess 20 minutes, because it was 425 or 427 when I first powered this thing up, running my computer and everything else like that, my gaming laptop. 409, let's divide that by 6. That will be roughly 6 hours. I know this is new, but at 200 watts and with one large monitor at 100 hertz, it's doing pretty well. It is dropping about a minute a piece, so I'm not really computing much with my computer, but overall, I'm pretty happy with this. I did pull the plug a few times, give it power, remove the power. It was pretty flawless on my computer, so it works. New out of the box, it works very well. And of course, I did charge it for about a good 2 hours or so because there was 1 bar missing on the top one. Quick scroll of the menu system. Basically, it shows 1 power out event because I pulled the plug when it was charging. And then the output voltage and overall output is 60 hertz. Output of watts is still 0. I'm not sure why it says 0, but as long as it works, it's fine. 95% in terms of battery life, and the overall runtime seems like pretty cool. Now, if it's going to do 400 something minutes for my 200 plus watt power computer, as well as KVM and monitor, it's probably 250. I'm not sure why it's lasting this long. Maybe the batteries are better or has a bigger capacity, but this is the CYBERPOWER 1500VA AVR, so it's auto voltage regulator too, so that's pretty cool. What I was planning to use this for, other than my computers, is also my aquarium. However, this is not a pure sine wavelength, so I need to think about that because this is a simulated sine wave, so it might not be as clean for motors. So I'm just going to leave this one for my computers for now. But if my fish needs it, I think I would prefer putting one of these guys there just so that if there was a power outage, at least the pumps will work for, I don't know how long it'll work, but it'll work for a few hours or maybe 6 hours plus, assuming the simulated sine wave doesn't damage the motors. Anyways, that's a quick review of this CYBERPOWER 1500VA UPS. Pretty good, pretty awesome, pretty straightforward, very heavy. And it works with my 200 plus or almost 300 watt gaming laptop and works pretty well. Seems like it's good out of the box. Anyways, charging in front too, there's a USB and a USB-C for 30 watts, I think total, or so. Anyways, that's about it. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.